So we need to try and find... Oh, but we didn't find everything though. Oh, Isabel, I'm so stupid. And then who don't we have a name for? Unless this is... Okay, so, like, that's a... And then maybe, like... I'm very confused. I need to look at those again. Oh. Oh, so he does actually have tattoos. Oh my god, Ziz is supposed to be 9-inch nails. I got that Duck Punk was Daft Punk. Lips was, Kiss, and I've already forgotten the other one I just put down. Oh, it's none of those. Fuck, what was the other one I just put down? Oh, the other one, it was Sum 41. It was, like, Zoom 42 or whatever the fuck the alternative version was, but when I was looking at Ziz, I was like, what the fuck is that? But now seeing it in sticker form like that, it's 9-inch nails. Cool, am I not allowed to, like... Oh, okay, cool. Is that everything? No, not everything. Now is it everything? Did we finish? I think we finished. This guy has a lot of emotions. Don't know what I'm supposed to be highlighting. Can I colour in my tattoos? Nope. Okay. I don't know what the point of this is. Oh, whoops. Am I supposed to be able to spell something? That was truly thrilling. I'm still a little bit confused as to which order they all go in. So, Emily and Rudy are married, and they have Alice, who... They're all still young, so they need to be down the bottom somewhere. Christian... It says just had his first child. Had just had his first child. So... But we know from that scene that Christian was with Issa. So if Issa married Quentin, then... Issa married Quentin, then did... Oh god. Did Christian die? Like, what? What? I don't understand the layout of this family tree doesn't make sense with what it's telling me it should be. I can't even find any fucking, like, hints or tips or anything. Like, this game is apparently so fucking obscure that either no one on the internet knows or no one on the internet cares how this is actually solved. Which does not bode well for the game and really, honestly, is quite frustrating. I hate not being able to complete a game. Especially when it's just, like, that the game itself is so fucking obscure that I can't make sense of it. Like, that genuinely annoys me. And I thought that maybe when it said, like, oh, you know, like, you found most of the stuff, do you want to end the chapter? I thought then it would be like, okay, so here's the stuff you missed. But no, it's just like, alright, cool, well, we're going to say you've completed everything, even though you know you haven't. Like, that's not how games are supposed to work. I absolutely hate that. Genuinely, I'm actually annoyed at this game. Like, I want to know how it's finished. I want to know what the actual fuck is up with this piece of shit family tree. But even the conclusion didn't make any fucking sense. First of all, it didn't even mention everyone. And second of all, it just didn't fucking... It didn't really explain things properly. So, like, for example, it doesn't tell us who the fuck Leanne is. Like, did fucking Emily change her name? Like, I don't get it. That's the only way this makes sense. That's literally the only way this makes sense. Is if this goes here. Oh, whoops, fuck. And then this goes here. And then these go here. That still doesn't even make any sense. I don't fucking know, man. Unless it's like something like that. So it's like those two had them, but then like he died, and so then she had these two with the I don't fucking know, man. I don't fucking know. This tree layout makes no sense when you compare it to the words of the conclusion of the game. And I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I'm annoyed. I'm officially annoyed at this game. Screw this game. Yeah, I genuinely, like, even if I look up, like, a walkthrough, barely anyone has posted walkthroughs. I have no idea what fucking demon Quirkles had to summon to find a walkthrough earlier. But holy shit, can I not find one that's actually decent. See if the Steam page has got one, actually. That probably should have been the first place I looked. Okay. Right. I found a walkthrough, and in the interest of finishing everything and making sure we know what the fuck we're doing, I'm gonna go through it. Okay, we completed this one in the child's room naturally. So let's see what I missed in the scrapbook. Ow. Okay, so we did everything on the left page. Apparently this colour strip means fuck all. Cool. Good to know. We did the drinks. Ah. Okay, apparently there was an email on the computer mentioning the time of 4:45. So let's try changing this to 4:45. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh my god, it's okay. Pull the worms from the nose. touch right in the heart. Strike a chord. Empty your bag. Deliver oneself. Oh, that's the cleaning. Deliver oneself. Oh, the package. Catch the fly. Oh, 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 oh. Ha 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 ha. Break the glass? Oh my. Uncover the rose pot. Oh, rose. Drown the fish. So, drink? No? Evade. Oh. Fish. Okay. What did that do? Anything? Cue dialogue and discover a portrait. It didn't though. Unless that's just because we technically closed the chapter, which is complete bullshit, by the way. Just want to say. Did that. Did that. Did that. Oh, unless that was what was going to give us this one. Because we got this from looking at the conclusion. So maybe that's what gave us... what would have given us that one. Okay, so that was a scrapbook. We've completed the garden. Okay. Are we missing a letter? Ah. Oh, God. Fuck! I fucked it up. Okay. So that's that bit. That was meant to give us a portrait as well. So I think what I'm gonna do is off stream, I'm gonna like do a quick speed run of this, and then I will post a picture in the Discord of what the finished family tree is, what it's actually meant to look like, if and when I manage to like figure that out. Because yeah, there are definitely a few things that like I just didn't work, apparently. Like I just didn't work in my brain, you know. 3439. Even though it said this room was done, apparently we can. Okay, that's bullshit then. That's. Press that on the wall. Okay, but we can't though, because that doesn't make any sense. It's like, ah. Maybe we have to do that before. That's for a Steam achievement though, so that doesn't matter because I'm not playing this through Steam. Okay. That's not what I wanted. Oh, I was not aware that I could close that. We guarantee that you have no future. Yikes. Okay, and then... Oh, his dad's name is Quentin. Wait. Right, okay. Oops. Okay. So like that? I feel like this might actually be correct. Maybe. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, that's kind of creepy. I may have also thrown away one of these too many. Because according to what I'm looking at, there's supposed to be one there. So, there are a couple of places I messed up. I'm a little bit less angry at the game.